Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing a Louis Vuitton unboxing, which is a Louis Vuitton item. But comment down below what you think I got, because it could be a bag, or maybe it's not. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and be notified every time I upload the video, and get your fashion fix here. Let's get into the unboxing. So here the item is. It says Louis Vuitton, obviously, and it's orange, and it's a magnetic box as well. So let's get into the reveal, and we'll see what I got. The person filming this knows what I got, but I'm going to keep you guys guessing. So make sure you comment down below and subscribe. And sorry about these gloves, they're not really fashionable gloves, but I don't want to ruin this item. But if you subscribe, maybe I can get the Gucci gloves. So make sure you subscribe. Louis Vuitton with a dust bag. Like that. And now I'm going to reveal what's inside. I'm so excited for you guys to see. Nice dust bag, so let's go and reveal her. All right, here we go. Ooh, this is exciting. So I got the Louis Vuitton Toiletry 26. It also comes in size 15 and 19. Just gonna show you guys that, and then it has a little tab there that says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in Spain. I mean, I would have been happier with made in Paris, but as long as it's in good condition, that's absolutely fine. And it has the normal monogram there, as you can see. And then it has the monogram upside down. And then it has the gold chain on the zip there. This piece is really versatile as well, so I'm going to be turning it into something, but I'll show you guys that in the next clip, which I'm going to keep you on your toes today. So we're going to open it up. The zip is like butter, which is good, and it's got a cream interior, and this is lined with it's waterproof, so you can put your skincare in here as well. I wouldn't recommend putting makeup in here because it'd be like an absolute mess. But yeah, that's the toiletry. That's the sides of it, and that's the bottom. And we're just gonna admire her for a while. This is something I probably wanted for a long time, but I'll be doing another video about this, so make sure you check it out, about why the Louis Vuitton toiletry, all the sizes, 15, 19 and 26 are getting discontinued, so make sure you watch that video. It's very important you watch it and you subscribe. So, this is a very versatile piece, so I really liked this, and just so you guys know, you can also get this in the all-pront leather. The reason I didn't get it in the all-pront leather was because it's a lot more, the leather's a lot more nicer and more durable, but it's a very different leather, so it can get scratched easily. It's very soft, and it's just a lot more maintenance and to take care of. Whereas in the canvas, usually canvas is more durable, but I really liked the monogram for the canvas, so I picked this one. And I'm really happy with the size of it. And it's super nice, super luxury and bougie, I think. And once I add everything, it's really bougie. It'll definitely turn heads, like when you're walking down the street with it. So yeah, a little bit of history about this toiletry pouch. So they've had this in their collection, Louis Vuitton, for a lot of years. I think it's very versatile, like I said before, and it's also very well priced for a luxury item compared to their other bags. And I really like this because, as Princess Diana did, she actually made this Toiletry 26 very famous, and I will insert a picture here about that as well. And she actually wore it under her arm as a clutch, so you can wear it as a clutch underneath your arm. You can wear it other ways, which I'm gonna demonstrate. You can even wear it like zipped up, obviously, but for the video I'm just gonna show you like this, like that. Still like a clutch. You can also use it as a catch-all, but it's a little bit big for a catch-all. But if you have like the Louis Vuitton Neverfull in the monogram or the opulent leather, this will definitely fit in there. I've noticed a lot of people using this as a makeup bag. I won't be, but that's your personal preference. So yeah, I think it's just a really good size. It's very on trend, very bougie, and it's a very popular item, so it's really hard to get. So if you really want this item, I'd really recommend you talk to your SA, because they are discontinuing it, and I was lucky to get this. I'm very, very lucky, and I'm so glad I have it. And if you have this, hold on to it. I know it's like really tempting to sell it, but it will go up in value, so these will be precious, because you know, these will no longer be in the stores after. The monogram's obviously iconic. It's their signature staple. They've had this monogram for so long. But yeah, I really, really love it, and I can't wait to show you guys the next clip. Oh my god. I saw that in a movie, so I got that from a movie. Okay, stop recording for a sec. Okay, I think I'm ready.